Buildium property management software, features, strengths, weaknesses. Buildium is a comprehensive property management software primarily targeted towards mid-sized property management companies and associations managing portfolios of 50 units or more. Key features include property accounting, tenant and lease management, online portals for tenants and owners, maintenance request tracking, automated rent collection, and robust reporting. Its accounting capabilities are a strong point, offering features like bank reconciliation, chart of accounts, and financial statement generation. The tenant portal streamlines communication and rent payments, improving efficiency for both managers and tenants. Lease management features allow for tracking lease terms, renewals, and associated documents. A major strength of Buildium is its all-in-one nature, consolidating key property management tasks into a single platform, reducing reliance on disparate systems. Additionally, the reporting functionality provides valuable insights into property performance and financial health. However, Buildium also has weaknesses. One common complaint is the cost, which can be prohibitive for smaller property managers with fewer units. While comprehensive, the interface can feel overwhelming to new users, requiring a significant learning curve. Some users have also reported limitations in customization options compared to other software. Furthermore, the customer support response times have been criticized at times. Buildium's pricing structure can also become complex as you scale and add more units. Another potential drawback is the limited integration with third-party applications compared to some competitors who offer broader API access. Despite these drawbacks, Buildium remains a powerful tool for larger property management operations. Its robust features and comprehensive functionality can significantly streamline workflows and improve efficiency. However, potential users should carefully weigh the cost, learning curve, and potential limitations against their specific needs and budget. Consider your portfolio size and technical aptitude to determine if Buildium's strengths outweigh its weaknesses for your organization. Ultimately, Buildium is best suited for established property management companies that require a comprehensive and scalable solution.